People often ask me what I do when Wes is out of town, and this is what I do. I build book nooks. I have not worked with this company before as far as building any of their book nooks, and I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it, so I will have to link them in the caption, but I am very excited to build this antique book collection room. I really like that the directions are in color. We have some stickers, so no papers that I have to cut. There is the battery kit, some tweezers, a little emery board, and then my wooden pieces. Let's test the lights. We'll need to provide 2 AAA batteries, and that's normal. Okay, so we have one that is more of an orange light and the rest are white. I'll have to remember that when I'm assembling. And of course, my assistant Leo Boone is here waiting to step on everything. Let's do this. This is why you want all the stickers, because it makes assembling the books much easier. This little staircase was challenging, but in a really good, satisfying way. Once I was finished, I felt really good about having completed it. The bookshelf is assembled and installed, whereas the books on this shelf are just punched out pieces. These books are actually individually glued from what we assembled earlier. It's looking good. Coming along very nicely. I just wanted to point out this lamp here. There are tiny little slits where the paper will fit into there, and you will understand that more as you build it. If you do, I'm working on the wiring. Definitely have to pay close attention to which one goes where. The second level is almost complete. Okay, all the wiring is done. Have the top on, now to work on the other 2 sides. The antique book collection room is finished. And look at this really cool detail. You see this right here? It is a book collection system. How clever is that? It was a lot of fun to build. I was surprised by that detail. I did not know that was going to be part of it. So I thought that was really cool. Yes, there is a dust shield, but I did not put it on so I would not get a glare. I think this one just had so many fantastic details. I really enjoyed building it, and I cannot wait to find a spot to put it on my shelf.